Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix latency on Soundtrap. Here's a detailed guide on how to fix latency issues on Soundtrap web app. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and go to Soundtrap web app at soundtrap.com. Log into your account using your account credentials. And once logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, which you have in here. From the home page, go to the project section in the middle of the screen. Open an existing project by clicking on the studio button right next to it, or click on enter studio to create a new project. So let's say this is an existing project. I'm just going to click on studio and it's going to take me right into the studio. From the studio, we're going to locate the settings menu, and in the settings menu we're going to find the section where we can correct latency. Now, I'd like you to know that the latency option helps align recorded audio with the playback timeline. So let's see how we can get that done. Okay, so at the top left corner of the studio interface, click on Settings from the menu bar. You have a couple of options right here next to Settings. So a drop-down or model window will appear, which we have here. In the Settings menu, find the section that says Latency. Now we have Low Latency. And like I said, this option helps align recorded audio with the playback timeline. So if the low latency mode is activated, you'll see that some other effects will be disabled to reduce latency, and we need to refresh the page to apply these changes. Okay, so click on apply and refresh to reduce latency. Now, once that is fixed, Soundtrap will measure the delay and adjust the settings automatically. That is what is currently going on. And that's it. It should work now. If the calibration does not fix the issue, okay, just look for a slider input label latency offset or similar and adjust the offset value by increasing or decreasing it until your playback and recording align properly. So click on settings and latency. You see that this has been activated and there's no even further session for that. Okay, so there's no further option for that apart from this. So once you click on that low latency mode, it just automatically fixes it for you. To ensure that the correct input and output devices, microphone and headphones, are selected, that you have to check the audio device. So how to check the audio device? Let's say click on the project itself and head over here where you have the mic. Click on this and check if the mic is actually the correct one. Then you can even use this calibrate option if you want to calibrate it, and that's going to help. So using headphones instead of speakers can help prevent latency caused by feedback loops. In the settings menu also, which we have done, just enable the low latency mode, and that's all you need. Also, close other browser tabs and applications to free up system resources, and use a stable and fast internet connection, as latency can sometimes be network related. If possible, switch to a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for better performance. And play the track using the play button at the bottom of the studio to ensure latency issues resolved. Record a short audio clip and check if the timing aligns correctly with other tracks. Once you're done, save. Click on File in the top left corner and click on Save to save the project with the updated settings. Ensure your audio interface, microphone, and headphones are compatible with Soundtrap, and ensure you're using the latest version of your web browser. If latency persists, restarting your computer can clear any temporary issues. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and Once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.